Invoicing clients efficiently is crucial for maintaining cash flow and professionalism. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create and send invoices. Choose an invoicing method. Select a method for creating invoices. Use accounting software, an invoicing app, or a template in Word or Excel. Include essential information. Header. Add your business name, logo, and contact information. Client information. Include the client's name, company, and contact details. Invoice number. Assign a unique invoice number for tracking. Invoice date. Mention the date the invoice is issued. Due date. Specify the payment due date. Detail the services or products. Description. Clearly describe the services provided or products sold. Quantity and rate. List the quantity and rate for each item. Subtotal. Calculate the subtotal before taxes and discounts. Taxes and discounts. Apply relevant taxes and any discounts. Calculate the total amount. Total. Sum up the subtotal, taxes, and any additional fees to get the total amount due. Payment terms and methods. Payment terms. Specify terms such as net 30, net 15, or upon receipt. Payment methods. List accepted payment methods. Add notes and instructions. Notes. Add any additional information, such as thank you notes or special instructions. Instructions. Provide clear payment instructions and bank details if necessary. Review and send. Review the invoice for accuracy and completeness. Send the invoice via email or through your invoicing software. Follow up. Track the invoice status and send reminders if payment is not received by the due date.